This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, January 16th, 2014. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at noon today we have a trough over the eastern about half of the country. Peace energy coming through the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes is going to bring a clipper system through today. This will be bringing some snow, some light flurry activity, but a lot of wind. High wind warnings in western and central Iowa with winds sustained 30 to 45 miles an hour, gusting at or above 55 miles per hour, with highs 20s to 30s today, dropping through the afternoon into the highs for Friday being only in the teens to lower 20s from northeast to southwest, with skies slowly clearing and seeing some partly to mostly sunny skies by at least the midday into the afternoon. But Saturday, another system comes down. This looks to target mainly the northern and northeastern counties of the state with a little bit of light snow, an inch or so possible. Highs likely in the 20s, north and east to low to mid 30s south and west. But Sunday, everybody better go outside on Sunday because this is probably the nicest day we'll have until probably Easter at the rate we're going. Highs 30s north and east to mid 50s south and west where there is no snowpack. Unfortunately, it starts to cool down. Monday, it'll be slightly cooler. Around 30 north and east to the low to mid 40s south and west. But you better enjoy even that day of Martin Luther King Jr.'s Day on Monday because by Tuesday, it's cold again. Highs teens north and east to lower to mid 20s south and west with mainly clear skies. Any snow will be over the Great Lakes and into the eastern parts of the Ohio River Valley and the Appalachians. Might have a clipper system come through Wednesday that could bring maybe some flurries or light snow showers. Temperatures still fairly cool, highs teens to the 20s across the state from northeast to south and west. And even a week from today, you can see the flow is still somewhat coming out of the north. You can follow it from northeast Alaska, the Yukon, down into Alberta, Saskatchewan, and then into the plains and the Great Lakes. And that means the air is going to be coming from that direction. We could see some warm up ahead of this next push coming down on Thursday, maybe approaching 30 or 35, maybe 40s in the southwest, but we may see that gone on the very next run because in the extended period on the 27th, the vortex is back. With one piece over the north and east moving into the Canadian Maritimes, another dipping down from Manitoba and Western Ontario into Minnesota. And that means a frontal system is going to come through. And this clipper system could be fairly significant, could bring us quite a bit of snow if this is to be correct, with temperatures around 20 or so, but the wind could be the major factor with that storm as well. The end of the forecast on the 31st, trough in the east, bit of a flat ridge over the west, another system out in the northeastern Pacific. And with this pattern, the flow is a little bit more northwesterly, but unfortunately, we have a high pressure directly overhead, and that means temperatures could be maybe highs in the teens to low 20s, lows at or below zero, snow in the Great Lakes, rain in Florida, and some rain and mountain snow in the west. Satellite image from last evening showed that storm system quite clearly over the Dakotas, Minnesota. That'll be swinging through the area later today. System off the east coast moving off, and some clouds over in northwestern or western Canada. The watch warning map from last evening, some high wind warnings, some blizzard warnings, winter weather advisories across the plains and upper Midwest. Some air stagnation issues over the north and west, and some freeze issues possible in Florida. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing any precipitation amounts are going to be light from nothing in the southwest to maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch in the north and east. The Great Lakes should see the heaviest amount of precipitation over the next couple of days.